Hi traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. In this video, I'm going to discuss US 30. Yes, my friends, I'm going to discuss US 30 and there is a very nice trading opportunity in front of me. So anyone who is interested in the US 30 trading or those traders who are trading US 30 on regular basis, definitely this video is going to be super beneficial for all of those traders. So around 1.5 month earlier I used to trade US 30 and then I quit trading on it for almost like 1.5 month on the US 30 because it wasn't really well following the system. So let's see what trade opportunities today I get. First of all, the first thing first, all of you know that and a strategy is a little bit of change for this one. There is a little bit of modification in the change because US 30 has a lot of volume on regular basis. So there is a little bit of change in the strategy. First of all, if we see the weekly time frame right here, if we can see, market clearly has stopped near this previous 34,780 level, though the long-term levels are very far away there, but at the moment seems like it stopped and it will need some more pressure to go and break this 34,780 level. So resistance level right here, and definitely we have this support, but this is way too far. Anyways, this is not like even we have not 61.8% retracement of this impulsive leg right here. If you see at around 31,085, so these levels will be of equal importance for me today. This will be acting as a resistance. 34,780.24 and 31,085 is going to be acting as a support. Now let's have a look at the daily time frame, and you can see a very nice, beautiful and perfect trade opportunity, and market structures are present right here. So I will be discussing that. Let's have a look at it, and let's also study this pattern a little bit. So this whole rally and even this whole setup belongs to these bulls, and definitely you know that whenever the market gives us an up move, let's say, after that a correction is going to form. So this type of trade, stay with me, I'm going to discuss the correction as well. This story began all the way from right here near around 28 858 60 level on this nice bottom right here. Let me draw it really nicely right here. A very shallow or a narrow sort of like a bottom right here, followed by a very clear around 45 degrees of triangle right here. So we are using degrees right here as well for the US 30. What happened after that is definitely we had this level at that time, we had this level at that time. When it started to go back up, it was clearly normal. Initial level we have got right here is this one, and let me show you that with Fibonacci, because the market was going to bounce off from this 61.8% retracement right here. What it did is it was a very clean break out to the top side. I should write it down: clean break out to the top side. Even this time it closes above this zone right here. A little bit of false activity, I will be going into the details of that later sometime, but for now another like a further push back up, and we even have got a higher high right here, h higher high, and this is like obviously the lower high we can say. What's next after that? Obviously this trend finished and I wasn't following it very nicely. It gave this move. I have discussed it: 61.8% retracement of this impulsive wave right here, and C was somewhere, D was somewhere up there. So this was the whole pattern: A, B and C, and that is going to be the D. So after all, we booked this much profit right here. I didn't personally took it, but let's say if anyone traded it, and then this sell 61.8% retracement, I could completely miss it because I wasn't following it. All of you know. Then it went back up, it came down, a corrective wave right here with us, a flag and a break, and what's next is that we have got a double top. So now market is clearly standing on a double top zone, followed by a very nice divergence you can see right here. So a double top, a divergence, which means it is ready for a sell. Now let me tell you everyone, since this is not a very long term story, there is obviously one level with me, and that the price definitely will be showing me that. But first of all, I have to run my analysis on the H4 to find out the better trading opportunity. At the moment, price is clearly standing on a bullish wave right here on the H4, and on the bullish we are not interested in the bullish anymore for now, unless we get a close up of 34,780. Then yes, I will be interested to trade this as a bullish. But for now, I'm so much interested in this whole bullish trend right here, that seems very nice. A little bit of like you can say false breakout, and this is going to be the decision area for today. You can clearly see this decision area, because we have got a break below, we have got sort of like a retest, but nothing has yet confirmed, because it will be only confirmed if it re-enters into this zone once again. Then I will be able to say that okay, it is going back up. If it go up like this and start to give us some reversal candles from there, then I will be looking for the 61.8% retracement of diff. This like I have discussed it several times. See, we have got a break of structure, a retest, and then the continuation, the break of structure, the retest, the continuation, the stop, the comeback down, the retest on the trend line, the continuation, the stop near previous resistance, the drop, the false breakout right here. Now we have to see a retest or a break in. So this is like a break in, I should say like this, break in or retest. Now the Fibonacci definitely suggests me, let me show you that very quickly, and that will be on the daily time frame. Since it is showing me on the impulsive wave, this thing near 34,585, but definitely if I follow the H4, it is breakout retest kind of stuck in the market at the moment. On the H1, if we see, there is, if you can say, a very U type of U-turn right here at the moment. This will be, there is a trade opportunity for today, and that will be a 61.8% retracement. So actually two strategies and two things we have. The first is let me write that precisely to you, since this is an A to B and this is a pattern which is pointing that market may retest and may re-enter into this zone. So this is a nice trading opportunity with us, and from there I definitely will be trying to take a sell trade today if we can get. If I don't take it for learning purpose, this will be very nice, and next time we will be discussing it. So this is the US 30, and I'm so sure if you follow the plan, you will be able to get some nice and sound trading decisions right here. Now how to trade this for the intraday, definitely, since most of you will be watching me, and most of you want to make some profits from the market. If the market go above 33,958, because this is the breakout zone with us, if you are a short-term trader, still you can target for 1,000 pips of move right here. At the moment, the bulls who took the price from right here, and let me show you that correctly right here on the M15, because this is obviously an intraday one. The euro US dollar yesterday worked really well. So from this intraday, and if you can see 762 pips, it's already giving to the traders, but these traders are going to take around 1,843 pips from the market. So let's see, if we get a little bit of pullback, we can re-enter into the trade, or we can try to take a sell trade near that said zone that I have discussed earlier today. Remember, the RSI situation is also, there is like a plenty of room we have on the RSI towards 80, and there is like 34,197.23 make a very nice and decent trading opportunity today to be taken as a sell right here. And I'm going to do this. I'm going to take a sell from 34,197.23 upon confirmation. If I'm going to take a buy right here or not, well, that is a top secret. I cannot tell you right here because very big players are trading the US30. Remember, if you have a very small account and smaller equities, don't trade US30 because this is a very killer market. You can say this is like the 10th father of the gold US dollar in terms of volume. We get a lot and lots of the volume on the US30. So make sure any trading decision you take, put proper stop losses for it and try to manage your trades properly. So I will see you in the next video. I hope this video will help you in some way. I do this because somewhere out there in the globe, I think if someone is watching my video and it is helping him, that is kind of like a very nice feedback and moment of pleasure for me when I recall and when I imagine that. Thank you so much again for watching this video. This is your host Aftab, your analyst Aftab. If you have any problems, you can contact me on this WhatsApp number right here. This is my WhatsApp number and I am 24/7 available, excluding the 8 hours sleep, right? So this is my number, and if anyone is interested to trade the US30, I have a very special strategy, and out of that special strategy that can give you a lot of profits you must not have imagined, right? So I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.